So, Hobbitpaws.shop is basically an online store selling pet-related products, with the site pushing offers like free shipping and limited-time discounts. But there are some pretty important warning signs I'd look at before buying. The biggest concern is the website's reputation. ScamAdvisor currently gives Hobbitpaws.shop a trust score of 0 and says the site has been reported for phishing and suspicious activity by IPQS. That's a major reason I'd be cautious. There's also a lack of transparency. Independent checks indicate that the WHOIS information is hidden, while another site notes that there doesn't appear to be a clear phone number or business identification information. So, is Hobbitpaws.shop a scam? I wouldn't claim that as an absolute fact, but there are enough red flags that I personally wouldn't risk placing an order. Overall, if you're tempted by the discounts, I'd slow down and verify the business first. If you do buy, use a payment method with strong buyer protection and avoid sending money through methods that are difficult to dispute. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.